Hello everyone, my name is Christine Somerville. The focus of my applied project was on stress relief in childcare. I created a resource tool for childcare providers to use to assist them in coming up with effective ways to reduce and even diminish stress in childcare. This resource tool is very helpful for childcare providers experiencing teacher stress on a day-to-day basis because, as you all know, childcare can be an overwhelming and demanding job. And at times, teachers will experience stress, and it's important for them to develop effective coping strategies to reduce and even diminish stress. The contents of this manual resource entails the definition of what is stress. It's important for providers to understand what stress is, also to understand what are the symptoms of stress, such as chronic fatigue, loss of appetite, stomach aches, headaches, and anxiety. Furthermore, in addition to understanding what stress is and the symptoms of stress, it's also important to know what is causing the stress. And so the resource also has a variety of different answers of what could possibly cause stress in childcare. One that is common may be tension with parents or coworkers, a lack of clear communication with coworkers or directors. Sometimes teachers may feel that they have no help or support in the classroom with the child. At times, if a child is constantly crying or screaming, that can cause teacher stress in the classroom. There are a number of things that may cause stress in childcare. Also in the resource, there's a section on stress relief strategies that teachers can use to help cope with stress and even reduce stress, such as getting more sleep. It's important for teachers to have enough rest when working in childcare, eating a balanced diet, taking breaks in the morning and afternoon, even if it's a quick 5-10 minute break, just to kind of have that breathing room when working in a classroom all day with children, laughing with friends. Most importantly, asking for help with a task. Some classrooms are fortunate enough to have a teacher and a teacher assistant. There may be some classes where there's just one teacher. It's always important to ask for help. Seek help when you are experiencing stress or noticing the symptoms of stress so that you can effectively cope with the situation at hand. And also, too, it's important to keep a journal when you're experiencing stress so you can write down your thoughts, communicating with someone about what's going on. That can help to reduce stress because someone may be able to help you come up with a solution or to guide you. And sometimes just talking it out with someone helps. I know it helps me to feel better. So the guidebook goes on and on with different strategies to reduce stress in childcare. And then also along with this resource book that I created, I actually have a stress relief and childcare evaluations that I had providers complete on the usefulness and effectiveness of this resource tool that I created. And also if they had any other suggestions pertaining to this resource book. The feedback was wonderful. All of the providers that I worked with regarding family child care homes and child care centers agreed that they experience some form of stress daily in their child care center or family child care home. And it's always helpful to learn other alternative, positive, effective coping strategies to reduce and even diminish stress. Thank you so much.